I'm back with my new episode of Too Faced Then and Now palette. This is another look I'm gonna create, and this look I already did my makeup and everything, just the eye makeup I'm gonna show you guys, and that's why I have put my foundation, bronzer, contouring, everything I did behind the camera, only the eye makeup. And this is called Lockstar Baby. This is the look I'm gonna create, so stay tuned to watch that look. We're gonna use Morphe R34 brush and start with GG, the color GG on the as a transition color. Actually GG is gonna go all over your eyes, the whole entire lid. Blend it nicely. I'm using Dose of Color pencil brush and using the color called Shady Beige on the crease of my eyes. So I have very puffy eyes, so I don't have much crease, but I'm just gonna try to create. I'm using M421 brush from Morphe, M421, and to apply that Lost Boy color on the lid. Now we're gonna take a clean brush and try to clean this area and try to blend in so that it looks like it's just the Shady Beige and the Lost Boys are merging each other. Slowly, very slowly, we're gonna drag that Lost Boy at the corner of our eyes. Now on the tear duct and the corner of our eyes, we're gonna use the pixie dust on the inner corner. On my eyebrow bone, I'm using the VHALaz only on the high point of my eyebrows. So, now we're gonna put the mascara and falsies. Today I'm using the mascara from Lancome and it's called Dolly Lashes. I like the brush very much, so soft, it doesn't hurt my eye. So guys, I just finished the look and then open up my crazy rollers and put the lashes. It's iconic, and that is it. And I'm gonna now put the lipstick. At this point I'm gonna use the lip pencil from MAC. It's called Chestnut. For my highlighter, I'm using today, long time I'm not using it. It's on my drawer, dressing table, and I'm like, why I'm not using it? It's from Urban Decay Naked. Nice color, right? My outfit has peachy pinky flowers, so I thought it would look good with my outfit. For my eyebrows, I'm not doing. I'm thinking every year I'm gonna do one eyebrow routine, because every year I change around. So 2018 one is coming soon. It's almost half a year gone anyway. So all the time, whatever I use for my eyebrow, I'm gonna show you guys. This is my. Until today, I'm stuck with these things. I can hand everything. Everything will be in the description section. I just hit my eyebrows with the highlighter, so I'm just grooming them. I will write down, I can't read it. This is the MAC mini lipsticks. I have 2 boxes of them because I love always the minis. and this is orange shade. As you guys can see, if you can see from far, I have peachy, pinky, orange shade on my dress. I told you guys that it's not gonna show the color, so see how I'm gonna blend that deep lip pencil color, ouch, with the smile lipsticks. Did you guys notice that I never do the whole lips? I have such a thick lips. I keep one big line. I am scared to fill out all. That pencil actually killed my orange. So let's look at this. So it's kind of little maroonish, reddish, orangish. Anyway, not bad. So this is it. Now, icing on the cake is this one, right? So I have created few looks from this palette. How well I executed, please let me know. I will really appreciate your comments and your suggestions. Until my next video, stay well. Bye.